This review is for the De'Longhi espresso maker, and I'm going to show you how to make a cup of espresso. Start with finely ground espresso, and I use the KitchenAid grinder. On the last grind I get fresh beans. And one thing about espresso is you do not need espresso beans. If you're grinding your own, any dark, bold coffee will do, and it makes excellent espresso. And here is the thing you put the espresso in. I have it for a double espresso. If you look in the top of the machine, this is where you hold your one for a single espresso. It does come with its own tamper. I find this just silly and difficult to use, so I use my own tamper. According to Alton Brown, you're supposed to put 50 pounds of pressure to get the coffee nice and compact. So I put my espresso in, use my tamper, and press the heck out of it so that I have this nice rock, basically. And then it's a little hard to do one-handed, but you can see that I'm going to put and line up, and I just line it up and then just turn it and tighten it just like that. And then you get your coffee cup. I'm using this absolutely beautiful Hughes & Brews. Now, I've turned on, and when you first turn it on, you'll only have the red light. The green light indicates that it's ready to go. This is just a simple knob turn. You would go this way if you wanted to steam your milk. I don't use milk. So I'm going to turn it on. And you can hear that pump action. And then the espresso comes out into your cup. And I know this is very exciting to watch it come into the cup, but it's part of the process. And it's called espresso because it makes it quickly. And we're done. Now you can see it's just the red light now because I just made a cup. If I leave it on and put another, tamp down another espresso and put it in, then it would be ready to go again. And there we have a beautiful cup of espresso. You can see the gorgeous crema. Fabulous. And ready to drink. Or if you put cream or sugar or whatever, I don't. See, now just that quick, it's ready to make again. So I could take this out and make another cup of espresso. This is the water reservoir. This is the steamer. And some people have complained that it's too close. I can get one of those standard silver, the silver containers that come with almost every espresso machine that you put your milk in and froth it. It fits with no problem. This is your reservoir that you add the water in. This is a very simple, basic espresso machine that makes absolutely fabulous espresso. Delicious.